working with games using the Karma physics engine, and have a KA file. This is an asset data file from the Karma engine used in physics simulation games. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these physics asset files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted KA files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. KA files are asset data files used by the Karma physics engine, integrated into various game engines, including older versions of Unreal Engine. They contain physics simulation data, including rigid body properties, collision shapes, constraints, and ragdoll definitions, enabling realistic physical interactions in games, using the Karma physics middleware. KA asset files use a structured format storing physics-specific data, including rigid body parameters, mass distribution, collision, geometry, definitions, joint constraints, and ragdoll bone hierarchies. The format includes metadata about physics simulation properties, enabling proper integration with game engine physics systems for realistic object behavior. The official utility recommended for the KA file is Unreal Tournament by Epic Games. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows cannot preview game assets or data, so specialized tools are needed to work with them. We are performing the initial application diagnostic. Right-click your KA file and choose Open With. Test with Unreal Tournament first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often a simple compatibility swap. If your KA file will not open, do not worry, the easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, using Karma engine tools. Install the Karma physics engine, SDK or game engine, that integrated Karma like older Unreal Engine versions. Use the engine's physics editor to load and inspect KA files. This approach provides full visualization of physics properties and parameters, configured in the asset for game integration purposes. Next, examining with game tools. Tools developed for games using Karma physics like UModel for Unreal Engine games can extract and examine KA files. These tools display physics asset properties, enabling research into game physics implementations. The information helps modders create compatible physics content for games using the Karma engine. Finally, migrating to modern engines. For projects transitioning from Karma to modern physics engines like PhysX or Havoc, recreate physics assets in the new engine. Use the original KA files as reference for properties and constraints. Modern game engines provide more sophisticated physics simulation while requiring asset recreation rather than direct conversion. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.